So we have northeast, that is between north and east. We have northwest between north and west. We have southwest between south and west. Similarly, we have southeast, that is between south and east. So these are the different directions. So it's a compass rose showing 8 directions. So I have also shared a link that will help you to draw this compass rose with the help of a pencil. So for that I have shared a link also. Now let's move on to another that is another one. We have compass. So it's an instrument that helps us to find directions. It has a magnetic needle that always points towards north, and when it points towards north, with the help of that direction, we it makes us easy to find other directions also. Then we have north line. You can have a look here. This is a north line. So you know, when you know that north is towards this direction, so it becomes easy for you to find other directions also. So with the help of this arrow, other directions of the map can easily be identified. So this was north line. Okay. Then we have colors and symbols. So you have seen in maps, we when we draw a map, here you can see in a box, you can see some symbols with colors. So the different colors are represented by symbols. Like I am showing water, which is a blue color. Okay, so here I will put a symbol, a square I can draw, and I will color here blue, and here I will write water. So it means when I have colored here with blue, it means blue represents water. Okay, it's representing water. So colors and symbols, small pictures, symbols we can use in the maps. These symbols help us to locate places easily. Different colors we use to represent different landforms. For instance, brown for mountains and hills, green showing the plains, blue shows water bodies, and yellow represents deserts. Okay, so you can have a look here. So he this for example, this is a tree. So I have written name tree here. So you will find everywhere, wherever you will see the diagram like this, you will say this is a tree. Similarly, you have seen these are, this represents here bench. So wherever you see these bench, you will say this is a bench. Then we have slide. Let's have a look. This is a slide. If we will find another, we will find it at another place. Here another slide. So we know the name is slide. Then we have seesaw. Okay, so seesaw is here. So wherever we find seesaw, it means it is a seesaw. Then we have a sandbox. So wherever we will see a box like this, here it is. So it's a sand box. Then we have swings. So you see the images like this. So wherever we see the image here, okay, here. So these are swings. Okay. Then we have flower garden or flower garden. We'll see here. This is a flower garden. This is a flower garden. Okay. So we have a duck pond. We will see a pond like this here in the picture. So this is a duck pond. Then we have park. So wherever we'll see the image like this, see, this is a park. This is a park. So clear? These were the colors map of a park. Okay, so it's a map of a park showing symbols. So scale we will be taking in another video, and in another topic we'll be taking map scale. So up to this we discussed about colors and symbols. We discussed about the north line that helps us to find other directions as well. Okay, so when we know that this is the point that points towards the north, so we can find the other directions